Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I'd like to show it to you. Wait till you see this one inside. Very nice two-tone interior color, but this is a 2013 Volkswagen. It's called a CC, and you're going to see why they call it this here in just a minute. So let's walk around. Beautiful black color on the outside. If you want a nice little car that's going to be very good fuel economy at a very reasonable price, I definitely suggest that you consider this one. Now, this is a 2-liter engine, and it is turbocharged. So nice thing with having the turbocharger on it, you're going to get increased horsepower compared to a larger engine. But with the smaller engine size, you're going to get better gas mileage. So let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. Okay, just like a lightning flash there, the trunk went open. Look at all the space in this thing, ladies and gentlemen. All kinds of room back here. Now, while we're on this side, let's go ahead and open the door, show you the interior. Now, isn't that nice? I told you it's nice two-tone. You've got the black leather along with the cream color tan, but you've got the same color scheme on your door panels. Just a beautiful car. Let's go ahead and take a look up front. Okay, I hope I'm not making you dizzy going from side to side, but here we are on the driver's side. Look at that beautiful colors on the door panels. You do have power seats, and right down here is your cruise control. But look at this, beautiful. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. I went ahead and got the car started to give you a quick look, a little panoramic view here. Let's go ahead back, and I'm going to get a little bit closer to your gauges. And you can see, as of right now, the mileage on this is 145,707 miles. And you do have audio controls here on the left of your steering wheel, and additional controls for your gauges settings up here. And we'll get in here and take a little bit closer look at the LCD monitor, and we'll pan down a little bit and show you. Now, another nice thing with this, it does have front heated seats. We'll turn that one on, turn that one on. It's really nice having that in the winter time. But anyway, this does have the ability to connect to Sirius XM radio. It is Bluetooth compatible, hook up to your phone. So very nice, very nice. You've got the chrome accent going around here. You've got a couple cup holders. Now, you do have some cracking here on the top of your armrest, and you do have storage area right here. So let's take a look at the back. So there is your view looking in the back from the front. So that does it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our tour of our 2013 Volkswagen CC. Has a 2-liter turbocharged engine in it. And this is definitely priced at a very affordable cost that just about anybody's going to be able to afford. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.